Hi there, my name is Tom, and I'm looking over here at the task. It says, welcome to BBC. To put you in the right frame of mind, I'm cooking dinner tonight for the other half, and I want to impress them. I'd like you to find food recipes on the BBC and describe my thoughts and reactions to each page, spending no longer than 3 to 4 minutes on this test. Alright, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look around the navigation up here at the top of the page, and what I expect to find would be something that would indicate that this is where I would find recipes. So I see news, that's not going to help. Capital, future, shop, TV. I'm going to go ahead and click on more, and I see here food. So I'm assuming that when I click on food, I'm going to go to a page that's going to show me some recipes. And again, going back over the scenario, I want to find food recipes on the BBC to impress my other half. So I'm going to click on food. And of course that takes me here to find the perfect recipe. I could look at special diets or user recommended, or it looks like I'm already here at editor's picks. So let's go ahead and look at loaf cake with apple and cinnamon. That sounds interesting. I've never made that before. A lovely moist loaf which I love to serve sliced and buttered, and that's very quick and simple to make. I see the ingredients here, although it uses a bit too much butter for my taste, so I'm going to go back, and I'm looking for something else. Pumpkin risotto with crispy sage sounds fantastic, so I'm going to click on that, and I think that this would certainly impress my other half, my better half as it were. I see the preparation method, which is to heat the stock until almost boiling, add the rice, add more stock. When the risotto is almost ready, heat the sunflower oil in a small pan. So these are very simple instructions. One of the things that I'm curious about is if I'm going to be able to print this. Where would I print this recipe out? Because I'm going to have to do that if I expect to cook dinner. I see here the print version. So I'm going to click on that, and that takes me then to this page, and all I would have to do would be to click this icon. Let's go ahead and move back. And I'll move back one more time. And what I'm trying to do is to get back to the page for food by using the back browsing buttons. Now, one of the things that I noticed that I would like to see improved on this page is that once I go to the section that allows me to print the recipe, is I'd like to see a button that says back to recipes or something to that effect, something that's going to get me back without having to click my back button multiple times. As I look down, I also see featured chefs, and I'm assuming that Michael Rue Jr. is going to have some suggestions here as well. Homemade hot dogs, roast pork. So I certainly think there's going to be a plethora of recipes that I could find on the BBC site. I hope that this was helpful to you. Thanks very much, and have a great day.